Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with CRU. Today we're going to be making a beautiful summer's end ratatouille with some beautiful Italian sausage, paired with our Vineyard 29 Estate Aida Zinfandel. And we're going to be using our CRU Pinot Noir Spice to really kick this dish up. Let's get started. Let's get started by preheating our oven to 375 degrees. We're going to be using onions, bell peppers, eggplants, garlic, some zucchini, some yellow squash, and lots of tomatoes. Once you have all your vegetables laid out and you have everything ready to be prepared, go ahead and start chopping your zucchinis. You're going to want to have them in different shapes, so when we go to arrange them in the pie tin, they all kind of fit together because it'll start from big to really small in the middle. Decided to use the CRU Pinot Noir Spice to blend with this dish and the Zinfandel because Zinfandel really loves smoky flavors. We're going to also be making some sausage with this dish that I'm going to actually be barbecuing, but you can really prep it any way you'd like. I specifically did that to kind of bring out those smoky flavors that Zinfandel loves. To get started with our ratatouille, grab any type of round Pyrex or pie dish, and we're going to line it with a little bit of CRU olive oil. I like to make a really beautiful crust at the bottom of my ratatouille, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I take all of the garlic that we chopped up and the onions, and then add one can, about 8 ounces of tomato paste, and mix it all together. Once you have everything well combined, go ahead and add your CRU Pinot Noir Spice. The CRU Pinot Noir Spice is a fiery red blend of coriander, bell pepper, paprika, shallots, smoked pepper, and a proprietary blend of spices. Now it's time to make our ratatouille. This is actually pretty fun, so if you want to mix this up and do it in any pattern you like, you're absolutely welcome to do so. Go ahead and pick one thing. I usually start with the eggplant, bring in the onion, and then go ahead and add all the different elements that you're choosing for your ratatouille. Today I'm putting them in a little fun pattern to kind of accentuate the different colors, so when it's all baked together, you really see the purple of the eggplant and the red and yellow of the squash and the bell peppers. Once you're all done, go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of the CRU olive oil on top of your ratatouille. I'm going to actually be sprinkling a little of the CRU Pinot Noir Spice to really bring out some great flavors. Once that's done, cover it with foil and put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Today we're going to be pairing this dish with our Aida Estate Zinfandel from Vineyard 29. This wine is deep and dark in color. The Aida Estate Zinfandel possesses extreme aromas of white flowers, lifted raspberry preserve, and brambly blackberries that are complemented by hints of white pepper and mountain sage. Upon entry, the blue and black fruits are accompanied by warm baking spices and intense earth and tobacco notes. Full-bodied throughout, this food-friendly Zinfandel maintains its freshness and structure with mouth-watering acidity and long, chewy, supple tannins on the finish. Crafted to be thoroughly enjoyable upon release, this wine will be aged gracefully for over 15 years. While your ratatouille is cooking for about 20 minutes, we went ahead and barbecued our beautiful sausages. I went with an Italian mild and an Italian hot. Both will do really, really well standing up against our Zinfandel. Now, let's pull out our ratatouille and get dinner on the table. Thank you again for joining us today, and if you'd like to learn more about Vineyard 29 or our CRU Spices, please head over to vineyard29.com. Until next time, cheers.